If you still remove applications from your Mac by just moving their icons to the trash bin, you should know that the service files of these apps still remain somewhere on your hard drive. We recommend that you use App Cleaner and Uninstaller. This utility program is especially designed to uninstall applications correctly. In the Applications tab, you will see the complete list of your apps. Sort this list by name, size or date, then select the unneeded program and click the Uninstall button. Switch to the Expert mode if you want to operate with app service files. Now you can manage the app's caches, logs, login items and other remains. Select unneeded items and click to remove them. Then simply confirm the removal. That's it! Uninstallation is completed. App Cleaner and Uninstaller is your cleaning assistant for taking care of your Mac.